Leonardo AI is one of the best solutions to Midjourney if you're looking for a free-to-use AI image generator. What makes this tool impressive is that you can generate high-quality images for free. So when you log in by creating an account, this is how the interface looks like. And on the left, there you can see the tokens which you'll be using to generate the images. So for the free plan, you get about 150 tokens, which might seem less, but don't worry, it resets every day. In the free plan, you can generate 4 images at a time. Unfortunately, you cannot increase or decrease the number of generations. Actually, this is a recent update which they made at the time of recording this video. Before this, you'll be able to select the number of generations from 1 to a maximum of 8. The prompt enhancer is a game changer when it comes to image generation. So this is the field where you enter your image prompt, and this small button here helps you to improve the prompts. You can enter as simple as a single word and leave the rest to the prompt enhancer to build a well-written prompt. This tool also has a built-in motion feature that can add animation to your images, and the animations are pretty smooth, to be honest. But you have to keep in mind that it consumes 25 tokens per generation. If you think that's too much for one generation, you can always use alternate apps like Pika or Immersivity AI that will save some tokens. There are over 20 fine-tuned models to choose from, depending on the image style you are looking to generate. For example, if you want to create a more cinematic image, you can go with the Leonardo AI XL model. And if you are looking to create something CG, you can choose the Albedo Base XL model. This real-time generation feature is the best in Leonardo AI because this allows you to visualize the output as you're typing the prompt. So this way you can modify the prompt before generating the image if you're not happy about it. You cannot go wrong with this image output using this feature, as you'll be able to see exactly what will be generated as you type the prompt. Try this application and let me know if you prefer Leonardo AI over Midjourney. And please leave a like and maybe subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another one. Take care.